this project, so what are the things that are required? The first, the most important one, DS1307 friends. So this is the DS1307 friends, female to male connection friends. So you can see it over here friends. The second, the most important one will be the Arduino Uno R3 friends. So you can see it over here friends. This is the Uno R3 friends. The third, the most important one will be the 16 cross to LCD friends, which has an I2C interface, I2C to LCD, and now I have taken the female to male. These are the four connections friends. Now you can see the LCD here friends. The third, the most important one will be the breadboard friends. So you can see it over here friends. In order to do some connections, we need it as in one or two jumper cables friends, jumper wires. You can keep it over here friends. Now the last but not least, this is the USB A to B cable friends, in order to get the power and flash the code to the Arduino Uno board friends. So these are the required resources for this project friends. Now let us see the connections friends. So you can see the Uno R3, and onto this my left hand side you can see the fibers and ground A4 and A5. Onto my right hand side you can see the SCL and SDA friends. So in our project, the major component will be the DS1307, that is RTC friends. Now I am taking from the ground, the first one is the ground, I am handovering onto the ground friends. So you can see it over here. The second one will be the DCC, that is nothing but the 5 volts, so we are giving on to the 5 volts. And the SDA I am taking over here and I am handovering onto the SDA friends. And SCL you can see it over here friends, and I am handovering to the SCL. So this is the connection between the DS1307 to the Uno R3. And coming out the 16 cross to LCD, which has an I2C interface. This ground I am connecting over onto this ground friend. So you can see it like this and connecting onto the ground friend. The second one with the VCC I am taking over here, and I am extending this 5. I am handovering onto this 5 volts. This SDA I am handovering into A4. You can see it. And this SCL, and I am handovering into A5. So these are the connections we are going to use in this project. Connections friends, on the breadboard, one side I have stick the Arduino Uno R3. You can see other side DS1307. So now I am taking the 4 connections from the DS1307. The first one is the ground, so I am taking over here. There is a ground, I am connecting over to the ground friend. The second one with the 5 volts, so I need to use these 5 volts for both of them, LCD, and I am keeping over here friend. The third one will be the SCL. So now you can see it over here. I am keeping onto the SCL, and the last one will be the SDA. I am keeping onto the SDA friend. So the third one will be the SCL, and fourth one is SDA. So SCL to SCL and SDA to SDA. So this is the DS1307 friend. So in order to give the power to this, what I am doing is I am taking the 5 volts to here. You can see it, and I am giving over here friend. We take the LCD, so which is an I2C to LCD converted just holder. So I am taking the 4. The first one is the ground, so you can see it over here, and the ground I am handovering onto the ground friend. The second one will be the 5 volts. So what I am doing is I am taking the 5 volts from this one, so I am keeping over here friends. Now this is the SDA I am giving into A4, SCL I am giving onto the A5 friend. So this is the LCD. So this is the connections friends. You can see it over here. 07 is a serial real-time clock, and it is a low power, and it is a BCD binary coded decimal clock calendar friends. Along with that one, it is having the 56 bytes of an NVRAM, and it is connected over the I2C friends. So it can adjust the dates, which will having 30, 31, and it is having the format 24 hours or 12 hours AM PM indicator, and it is also can adjust the leap year, and it is also detect the power failures and automatically switch up to the backup supply friends. So the typical diagram in order to connect with a microprocessor microcontroller, you can see it over here, friends. But the pull-up resistors, in our case, it has been there on the daughter board, so we are not. But if you are taking the DS1307 and connect onto this one, so you need to see it over here, friends. This is 100 kilohertz. So when you are connecting, this is the one of the things we need to take. We need to see it, friends. So how much the clock frequency it can do. And when you see it over here, we also need to understand the timing diagram. It has a two pins, that is SCL and data. So means at one point it can send the data or receive the data. It is nothing but the off duplex, friends, with acknowledgement. Here, friends, so here is the timekeeper register. The 00 location inside the DS1307, it represent the seconds. 01 is represent the minutes. 02 is represent the hours in 24 hours and AM or PM based on the setting. And 03 represent the day, and 04 represent the dates, that is 1 to 31. 05 register represent the month, that is 1 to 12, and 06 represent year. So in our the main interested in this RTC is a 00 register to 06 register, friends. So this is the one. Apart from that one, 08 to 3, this is the RAM we can do. So now I have opened the Arduino IDE 2.1.0. So for this one, we need to install DS1307 RTC and along with as a liquid crystal, along with as a time lead. In the DS1307, if you go to the examples, and if we can go to the DSRTC, there are two examples are there. One is set time and another one is a read test, friends. So using the set time, we can do the timing, and we can read test, we can do the reading of the time from the DS1307. So now we have taken that two things at the beginning and we did that one, and after that one then we have included the LCD, and in the setup function we are doing the initialization of the LCD and UART, that is nothing but the serial, and in the loop function we are reading the bit, which is nothing but the TM. We are passing the arguments, along with that one we are getting the things and printing over here, friends. So and if it is not fine, it can tell that DS1307 is stopped, we need to run the set time, and if it is not found that chip, then it can say that this is the DS1307 read error, friends. So with the delay of 1 second, it is again and again it is printing the same output. We can see the UART console, friends. So now let me compile it and let me flash it, friends. Now we can see the demo, friends. So if you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. That will help us to grow the channel, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, friends.